Hey guys, we've got another unboxing for you today. Got another pair of shoes from Foot Asylum. I'm not sponsored by them, they just had some decent deals for what I was looking for. But we'll go ahead and unbox these. This is nothing special, it's just a cheap pair that I wanted. It was an impulse. I went to pick up my Timberlands that you see in the previous video, and when I was there I saw these and they were on sale at $34.99, and the display model was in my size. And excuse the noise in the background, that's the cat playing with the Timberland box over there. But the display model was in my size, so I tried it on, and my god, these things are so comfy. They were so comfy, it was like wearing pillows around my feet. And I'm going to Thailand in a couple of weeks, and I needed something. All my shoes are like black, really triple blacks, you know, really heavy dark colors. I wanted something just light, and more so I wanted something that would be really comfy to wear on the plane, because I've got two 9-hour flights plus a 2-hour wait in Dubai, and I've got to be 4 hours at the airport in Glasgow beforehand, and then going through immigration in Thailand. All in all, it's going to be like an entire day for each flight, and I just wanted something comfy that I can wear that doesn't even feel like I've got, you know, a shoe on. And this is actually as well my first ever pair of Puma. I don't know if you pronounce it Puma or Puma. I've always pronounced it Puma, but I know it's meant to be Puma, I think. But this is my first ever pair of shoes from them. I've never had a pair that I can remember, unless it was way back as a kid that I don't remember. But let's see. I'm trying to see. They're a UK size 10. I don't know if this is the name of the shoe. Puma white high risk red, and it just says RS metric. Now these remind me a lot of the classic Air Max infrareds, with the color scheme. That's why I picked this one up as well. But let's just go ahead and have a look at these. And like I said, it's nothing special. These were $34.99 on sale, down from, I think it was like $79. And it was just a quick impulse. As I was walking out the store with my Timberlands, I was like, they look quite cool. I love this color scheme, this infrared color scheme. I was like, I looked at the size, tried it on, and I was like, God, this is too comfy. This can't be it can't be this good. And for $34.99, there's got to be some sort of catch. So I asked the woman to bring me out the other one. Tried them on, and these are just. I'm so excited to wear these. Like, I can't believe I've. Where's the? Yeah. I can't believe I've never tried a pair of Pumas on. I mean, yeah, it must be like RS metric. That must be the type of shoe. But these are like, you know, your typical like chunky, wide, bulky dad shoes, like the old, is it the Air Max ones? If I'm thinking of the right ones, they're just like those typical dad shoes, but like there's no weight to this, and you can see here it's like super soft mesh suede here, and this base is just so comfy. I'll get some shots of these on. I mean, the cat already approves, don't you? Of course you do, darling. The cat already approves. We'll get some shots of these on, because they are so comfy. I can't stress that enough. When I tried these on, I was probably going to just try them on and walk out the store, to be honest, just to kind of see what they look like done, and then maybe look for something else, maybe next week or closer to the time, because I'm leaving in about 3.5 weeks. But because of how good these felt on, I just purchased them there, and you can just see, look, it's just so thick and spongy and just padded. It's like a real old school trainer, like dad shoe, and I just love it. I really love it. Look at this, look how thick that thing is, man. Look at that. But yeah, I'll get some shots of these on, and thanks for watching, guys. Cat likes them. Okay. So here we are, guys. This is the Pumas on feet, and God, these things are so comfy, guys. It's honestly like one of the comfiest shoes I think I've ever wore. I mean, they're very basic looking, you know, they're just those kind of traditional chunky dad shoe, but for the price, $34.99, they're super comfy. You guys want to see the Dragon Ball socks? I know you do. I know you guys want to see the Dragon Ball socks. Here you go. But they are just super comfy, and they fit. They're really spacious but snug. I know that's a bit of a contradiction, but what I mean is here there's just a lot of width here, but they're just so snug, but it's like a spongy there's like a spongy snugness all around it, and it just feels so good on. These really just feel like, try and get some shots from above. So this is the shoes from above. You can see the, put my jeans up the phone there. But yeah, just super nice. I mean, I really like these. I don't know how much you can tell, but just look how soft they are. Thanks for watching, guys.